My topic today, how to touch the excellence. You were climbing on tree and somebody came and said, गिर जाओगे. So you learnt your first lesson, ऊपर चढ़ने का मतलब है गिरना. Diseases were same 40 years before and diseases are same 40 years after. How the whole system has become so fearful, so inhibited. Let's find out the root cause one by one. First of all, let us start from body. This beautiful vehicle. Do you agree with me? This is a beautiful vehicle. If you really want to touch the excellence, my friend, if you want to grow in life, if you want to become dynamic, the first thing you need to do from today is to check my body energy is low or high. Am I energetic or not? Am I lazy or dynamic? How to do that? Very simple. There are two things. We take two types of food every day. Physical food in terms of roti and rice and everything, blah, 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 blah. And mental food in terms of thoughts and emotions. If these two types of foods are not healthy, your body will not support. For example, how to understand which food is good and which food is bad? Very simple. After eating food, if you are not energetic, it's a bad food. Very clear? And after eating food, if you are more energetic, it's a good food. Are you connecting with me? Very simple. So please check from today, if you want to be dynamic, if you want to be an excellent human being, please check from today what type of food I am eating, because food creates your personality. I see people, for them, watching TV is important. And forgive me, जब से ये remote control आए हैं, तब से weight और बढ़ना शुरू हो गया है. I see people use remote control to open their main door. Have you seen that? I personally want to ban all these remote control because this is not good for health. It has made you crippled because you don't have to move your body. You just need to move your tongue. I believe someday a remote control will come. You don't have to need your finger also. So you don't move your body and the whole body is crippled and there is no energy. So what happens? When you shake hands fall down. When you look at somebody, the aura doesn't come. When you smile forcefully. Every moment, lazy, lethargic feeling. And doctor said exercise is must. For people, television is important. Playing card is important. Criticism is important. But respecting body is not important. First thing we must learn in a special session from today. It may be a reminder call for you because I have spoken on this. But why not to remind what all I have spoken? First thing, my dear rebirthians, for you, let's start respecting our body. Let me share a beautiful, real story. I was reading about Rabindranath Tagore yesterday. You know Rabindranath Tagore? A great poet. And it was told that Rabindranath Tagore was beautiful. His aura, his body, his charm, his expression, he was a dynamic human being, very soft. One day, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi had an appointment with Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi. And that day, Rabindranath Tagore took half an hour to meet Gandhi. Gandhi had to wait for half an hour. And Gandhi was not liking it. So after half an hour, when Rabindranath Tagore came and he said, what happened? Why you were late for half an hour? He said, I was just preparing my hair. These were all disorganized. So I took half an hour time to comb my hair because he had a long hair. He said, half an hour time to look after your hair and to... He said, very simple. I believe first impression is last impression. People like my smiling. They like my face. They like my charm. I cannot afford to come in front of them in a disorganized way. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? I don't know how many of you have seen James Bond's movie. Have you seen 007 James Bond? Just see every time the guy is in suit, black suit. I'm not me. He goes under the water, enters in the mouth of shark. does something over there, comes out, wet clothes, and again, same persona. And in the evening, he enters in the hotel with two lovely looking ladies. And what he says, Bond, my name is Bond, James Bond. Oh, you are gone. Now, this is not a joke. Are you with me? This is not a joke. I see those of us who are number one in their respective field, either in politics or in sports or in entertainment. First thing they do, they respect their body. How to do that? First thing, what type of food we eat. Point number one. Point number two, we need to check 24 hours in my body, is there any blockage or not? Let me clarify what I say. ब्लॉकेज किस तरह की होती है मैं समझाता हूं. एक तो बायोलॉजिकल ब्लॉकेज होती है जिसके लिए आपको हार्ट की ऑपरेशन वगैरह करानी पड़ती है. यू गो टू अ डॉक्टर फॉर अ हार्ट सर्जरी, हार्ट में ब्लॉक आ गया, यू नो दैट ना. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट ब्लॉक. इवन अ रॉन्ग थॉट कैन बी अ ब्लॉक इन योर बॉडी. Suppose if you have some animosity मतलब किसी के लिए मन में कोई आपके अंदर कोई नेगेटिव फीलिंग है, सो उस बंदे का कुछ नहीं बिगड़ रहा है, आपके अंदर उसके खिलाफ एक नेगेटिविटी की ब्लॉकेज बढ़ती जा रही है. हेलो. Every moment you are thinking against that person, and every moment your body is blocked, and every moment you are dying and dying and dying. So what you do? You go in the market, buy some perfume, but परफ्यूम cannot remove that block, because जो चीज अंदर में ब्लॉक है बाहर के स्प्रे से रिमूव नहीं हो सकती. Every moment blockages are happening. You interact with a police wala, the block is happening. You interact somebody in tax department, block is happening. Hello. You interact with somebody in a bank, block is happening. What type of people are there in this world? Every moment blockages are happening. Now with these kind of blockages, with so many blockages, you can't have dynamism outside. Hello? You can't. You may try to say, I am on top of the world, but it will not come from your heart. And these blocks has taken place not from today. It has taken place from childhood. Somebody has beaten you, the block has taken place. Somebody has abused you, the block has taken place. Somebody has misbehaved with you, the block has taken place. So you will find something interesting in our training course. In the 14th session training course, many people become little better, but they don't become best. Why? They just learn few tips how to speak well, but they don't remove their inner, louder, inner blockages. So after 2 months, you will find same old problem is coming. Same old behavior is coming. Same old tension is coming. So second point, we need to find out from today, am I free from inside or not? If I see my personal life, and if I calculate 30 years of my life from age 25 years, from age 8 to 32 years, I must say how many cheatings and how many wrong people came in my life, and they have done every damn thing. But believe me, today, when I'm speaking in front of you, when I look back, there is not even a single block. There is only one thing, a real prayer. A real prayer. And that gives me joy. That gives me motivation. That gives me satisfaction. That gives me dynamism. Because dynamism cannot come from outside. It can only come from inside. Keeping block, dynamism cannot come from inside. Very difficult. Impossible. So two things to become number one, to touch the excellence. A, we need to check our body. There are two types of food, biological food and psychological food. In biological food, I said, whenever you are eating something, after eating, if you are becoming lazy, it's not a good food. And after eating, if you are becoming more dynamic, it's a good food. Till now it's clear? And the second point is mental food. Every moment check, is there any block in my mind? Is there any block in my heart? Is there any block in my... And if you find, yes, there is some block in my life, what to do? Very simple. I'll give you one technique. Within 7 days, all your blocks will be out. 24 hours, pray for the person. You don't have to go and say, I love you. No, if it's not coming. You know very well, I don't promote hypocrisy. Just 24 hours pray for the person. God, I am having tremendous blockage against this person. I am praying to you. Please remove my block. And a miracle will happen. You will wake up in the morning one day and you will find block has gone. This is called the magic of God. Are you connecting with me? Yes. First point is to check whether my body is blocked or free. When I hug somebody, it's a real hug or is it coming out of formality? When I shake hand, I must check, is it a real handshaking or is it just a handshaking? Point number one. Now, point number two. There are 4 types of people. Type 1, look at this plus sign. Okay, look at this plus sign. Type 1, let's say this type, is taraf. Type 1, I call them I can, I will. Will you mind repeating what I said? I can, I will. Type number 2, I can do, but I will not do. Type 1, I can do and I will do. Okay? Type 2, I can do, but I will not do. Type 3, I want to do, but I can't do. And type 4, neither I will do, nor I will allow any person to do. ना मैं खुद करूँगा, ना मैं किसी को करने दूँगा. Dangerous, forget about it. Let's talk about type 1, type 2, type 3. Type 1 में क्या बताया था? I can and I will. मैं ये काम कर भी सकता हूँ और करने की तमन्ना भी रखता हूँ. Top class, कोई रोक नहीं सकता. I can, यानी करने की क्षमता भी है, करने की स्किल भी है और करने की इच्छा भी है. He is number 1. कम वो लोग होते हैं. There are limited number of people. Type 2, I can do but I will not do. मैं कर सकता हूं बट करूंगा नहीं. उसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा, उसको ट्रेनिंग देनी पड़ेगी. टाइप 3, मैं करने की तमन्ना रखता हूं बट कर नहीं सकता, तो उसको ट्रेनिंग देनी पड़ेगी. यानी इसको करना नहीं आता है कोई भी काम, तो उसको काम की ट्रेनिंग देनी पड़ेगी. नाउ what it takes to jump from these 2 type to first type, I can and I will. मैं कर भी सकता हूं और करने की इच्छा भी रखता हूं. कोई भी काम अगर दिया जाए उसमें टॉप जाने के लिए ये जो कैटेगरी है, मैं कर भी सकता हूं और करने की इच्छा रखता हूं, इसके लिए क्या किया जाए? सबसे पहले फर्स्ट थिंग वी मस्ट चेक व्हाट इज माय सेल्फ इमेज इन माई आईज. मेरी अपनी नजर में अपनी इज्जत क्या है? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? जनरली हम क्या करते हैं, हम लोगों को की नजर में अपनी इज्जत पाने की कोशिश करते हैं. एग्री? बट यू विल नॉट गेट रेस्पेक्ट फ्रॉम एनीबडी इफ यू डू नॉट हैव अ रेस्पेक्ट फॉर योर्स. इट्स सो सिंपल. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन आवर कंट्री, when I see people and when I ask them, are you enjoying your job? Very simple. And their answer is, just passing time. Haven't you heard? Yes. Just passing time. Now you say work is worship. Kaam hi puja. If the work is worship, how can you pass time? I don't know whether you remember or not, I told you that story about Tansen and Haridas. Tansen was a great singer in Akbar's kingdom. One day Akbar said, Tansen, I want to hear your guru, whose name is Haridas. Akbar said, impossible, sir. He will not come to your kingdom. If you have a desire, let's go together to his ashram. We can sit down in the morning, and in the morning he plays ragas. So they went to Haridas's ashram, and in the morning Haridas started singing. Haridas ne gana shuru kiya. And the moment Akbar heard Haridas singing, he was completely hypnotized. And after his song was over, Akbar said, Tansen, don't mind. You are nowhere close to your guru. He said, I know that. I don't have to mind. My guru is the best. And then he said, what is the difference between you and your guru? And he said, only one difference. I sing to get something. He sings because he got something. Remember? I sing to get something. My focus is always money. So I am always in stress. If I am in stress, I can't sing a quality song. But he is singing because he has already got something. We must check up in our life the job which we are doing. Am I doing my job only to get something? Or am I doing my job because I got something? I always say, worship Saraswati, Lakshmi will come. If you worship only Lakshmi, there is no guarantee Saraswati will come. And I hear from people and say, when they come and I say, can you tell me, इस धंधे में कितना पैसा है? मैंने कौन से धंधे में? जो आप करते हैं उस धंधे में, हम भी सोच रहे हैं कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दें। मैं कहा ना, इसमें मत पड़ो, तो लूट जाओगे, इसमें नुकसान ही नुकसान है। I only know. The whole psyche of our personality has become, money oriented. How much I will get in this dhanda? The kind of word we use, dhanda. There is no pleasure in working. So you see people, when they are working, their body is down. When they are going to their office in chartered buses, you see they are sleeping while going and they are sleeping while coming. So first thing, we must find out in our day-to-day life that every morning when I start my day, am I adding more energy which I was using yesterday, or my energy is less? If the energy is less, you are not happy with your job, resign. It is a good idea to beg in the market rather than doing a job without energy. A beggar is more energetic than you. Sorry. He's more energetic. Do you see a beggar? He will not accept 50 paisa. Below 1 rupee is not accepted. 2 rupees, sorry. Go to Super Bazaar and all these shopping mall, and you see a guy, once you purchase all the items, let's say you go to a vegetable supermarket, you purchase all the vegetable and come to the guy who takes your money and pack everything. Haven't you seen how he does? I have a live experience. The moment I came to this guy who is supposed to collect the money and supposed to pack all the item, he looked at my item. Look at me, it's a very interesting example. He looked at my item and he said, he just did like this. Which means that he is saying, क्या जरूरत थी सब खरीदने की? और खरीद भी लिया था तो मेरे काउंटर पे क्यों आए? कहीं और चले जाते। इतना बोझ मेरे के ऊपर लेकर आप आए हो, अब मैं इसको पैक करूंगा। So he looked with a lot of frustration and he took one carry bag, put all the items in the carry bag. Believe me, I remember I purchased some banana. So he put banana first. On banana, he threw the packet of rice. So the banana got, crushed. And then this and that. And then he said, yes, hold it. Next. He was not at all happy with his job. And then I said, let's not go to Super Bazaar market because they are horrible. So one of my friends said, which means you have gone to the wrong person. Let's go to the right person. Second cash counter. This guy I found is tremendous energetic. Same Super Bazaar, same department. He is absolutely tremendously, excited. And I came to him, he looked at me and he said, good afternoon, sir, how are you? I never met him before. मैंने इससे पहले कभी मुलाकात? I said, is he aware who am I? But when somebody is asking, how are you, what will you say? आप पूछोगे भाई मुझे जानते हो कि नहीं आप? What do you say? What do you say generally? Good. Am I right? So I said, good. Wow, great sir. Nice seeing you after many years. बहुत सालों के बाद आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. अब आप क्या बोलोगे? भैया कब मिले थे पहली बार? You will never say, ना? You feel good. Tell me yes or no. कि कोई आपको recognize कर रहा है, कोई आपको पहचान रहा है. You feel good. And then he said, oh, you have purchased so many items, sir. Wonderful, great. And these bananas are so beautiful. Yesterday night it has come. It's so fresh. fresh banana, enjoy. And he packed soft item in one carry bag and strong item in a different carry bag, and he checked whether the bags are okay or not, and then he put another bag to make it more strong, and then he said, sir, just a moment, my guy will go to your vehicle, he will keep all the item in the vehicle, and have a nice time. I said, great. Same Super Bazaar. These two counter, one guy is down, the other is up. I said, let me do some experiment. Hey young man, listen, why you are so down? Why you are not energetic? He said, आगे बढ़िए ना सर, काम है ना, काय को दिमाग खा रहे? He was angry. So I went to the other guy, and the other guy was absolutely excited. And I said, hey, tell me one thing, what does it make you so excited, yaar? So dynamic. He said, sir, very simple. I am the last person in this shop. क्या बोला? I am the last person in this shop, and I want to make sure, मैं इस बात की गारंटी देना चाहता हूँ कि जब आप मेरी दुकान से जाएं, तो अगर आप सुपर बाजार का कभी सोचें तो इसी का सोचें, किसी और का ना सोचें. I just love my job. Would you mind repeating it? I just love my job. I don't work seeing my watch. I don't work for hours. I don't work for salary. I just love my job. Now, how many of us are there in this world? They can claim and say, I just love my job. Very rare. People change job after 6 months. They don't love their job. First point, my friend, Rebirthian friend, you have to ask every day in the morning whether you are in government department, a retired person, teacher, student, housewife, I don't care. Am I happy or not? आपको लग रहा है मैं जो बिजनेस कर रहा हूं उसमें हैप्पी नहीं हूं, 1 साल का टारगेट रखिए, क्लोज कर दीजिए. सिंपल. अगले 1 साल अपने आप को फाइनेंशियली सिक्योर कीजिए और तीसरे साल से फिर मामला जम जाता है, खत्म. मैंने सबको वो जो आए मेरे पर, राजेश आई एम नॉट एंजॉयिंग माय जॉब. मैं क्लोज कर यार, आगे चल, नया प्रोजेक्ट ड्रॉ करते हैं, खत्म कर. 3 साल अपने तरीके के काम करना ज्यादा बेटर है बशर्ते कि 70 साल मर के काम करना. हेलो, ज्यादा बेटर है. So point number 1, what is it? Let's repeat. Am I happy or not? Change negativity into positive achievement. What did I say? Repeat point number 2. आपके जीवन में जितनी भी नेगेटिव घटनाएं घटी हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे जीवन को अगर मैं देखूं और जितनी भी नेगेटिव घटनाएं घटी हैं, मैं आपको गारंटी से कह सकता हूं अगर वो नहीं घटती तो मैं यहां नहीं होता जहां आज मैं हूं. आपके जीवन में भी नहीं घटती तो आप यहां नहीं होते जहां आप हैं. हमने नेगेटिव घटनाओं को रुकावट बना दिया है, स्टेपिंग स्टोन नहीं बनाया. समझ पा रहे हैं मैंने क्या बोला अभी यहां पे? हमने अपनी नेगेटिव घटनाओं को रास्ते का क्या बना दिया है, उसको स्टेपिंग स्टोन नहीं बनाया है. हर नेगेटिव घटना को रुकावट नहीं बनाना है, क्या बनाना है? स्टेपिंग स्टोन. उस पर चढ़ के आगे निकलना है. Thank you, Mr. Negative Incident. The very fact you have come in the market, you have made me more strong physically and mentally. If you were not there, I was not here. My next point to you is change every negative incident into a positive achievement. Have you understood till now? Yes. The next point is after that, become a good communicator. Now look at me before I conclude. This is the last point. 2 things are very important when you want to become a good communicator. Point number 1, be a good listener, which means listen twice, speak once. Would you mind repeating it? Speak once. People don't listen while they talk. Somebody is talking, you are still talking in the morning, in your heart. No, just listen. Just listen. And you will find that if you are listening properly, your quantity will reduce and your quality will increase. आपका जो बोलने की शब्द की संख्या है वो कम हो जाएगी और शब्द का बोलने की जो क्वालिटी है वो बढ़ जाएगी. Good communicator. Communication word has come from communion, which means when you are talking to somebody, you talk in such a way that you create a space in the heart of the other person. Talk with your eyes, talk with your expression, talk with your body language, talk with your full personality. Don't be a dead body while you are talking. Talking is a revealing of your personality. When you talk, you reveal your personality. Choose right word when you talk. Choose good quality word when you talk. Choose sensitive word when you talk. Give yourself totally when you talk. And then you will realize you are remembered in the heart of the person even if you are gone. My bhaiya was sitting in front of the doctor and my bhabiji said something and my bhaiya said, "अरे कोई जरूरत नहीं है इसका इतना कॉस्टली इलाज कराने की." मैंने कहा भैया, at least this is a very sensitive moment. Don't use these words. You spend so much of money in all those bullshit activity. Let's go for a good treatment. I can tell you, science has the capacity to do miracle. Go for it. But if you're using a word like this for your wife, gone. This is the reason I say, if you are not a leader in your house, you can't be a leader outside. Private victory is more important than professional victory. So be victorious in your private life. When you think about your family member right now, if you close your eyes and if you think about them, what comes in your mind? Are they appreciating you? Are they loving you? Are they missing you? Or if you're sitting over here and if you think about them, you're finding, no, whether I'm there or here, it doesn't matter for them. I'm dead. You are a loser. Loser. If you find me energetic, it is only one reason, not because I have enough money. Some of my rebirthing friend knows I don't have enough money. But I live much more luxurious life than those people who has enough money. So let's be a good communicator. Are you with me? Let's see what all points you remember now. What was the point number 1? Am I happy or not? Point number 2? Change negativity into positive. Point number 3? Become a good communicator. And the last point. Become a self-starter. Self-starter. You understand what is the meaning of self-starter? Don't wait for anybody to come and kick you. Start yourself. If a table is lying, don't wait the waiter to come. Just remove it. No, let the MD come and remove. It doesn't happen like this. Become a self-starter. Become a self-starter, self-initiative. It doesn't matter how many people come in your program. What matters, you come or not. So, it doesn't matter who comes or not. What matters, you come or not. So, my last point is become a self-starter. Don't waste your time in irrelevant activities. Don't waste your time in criticism, condemnation, talking about people. As I'm not interested. Hello. All my negative energy has gone. I'm charged with positive energy. God bless you. Thank you for listening to me. Speech is over.